Howdy y'all, this is Grandpa I'm with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, we're at the Fairway North Fields, and we're actually in building 2. So there's pools in building 1 and in building 2. So this is the second building, and this is what this pool looks like. First of all, I'm noticing that I love these patios that are here. They have a lot of space, so you could have a dog here on one of these patios really easily. Very cute. So I also love just the everybody seems to have a balcony, and it's a really nice kind of feeling here. But as far as the pool itself, there's a lot of chairs in here. Feels really nice. And then you've got just a really attractive area. This is covered, and then here's the pool itself. The pool is really pretty. You got this probably 20 feet, 15, 20 feet area that's 4 inches. And then you've got all of this pool space that's really nice. It's just a pretty simple pool, but I like how big it is. I like that, there's a lot of space. It's really wide. And then there, you can see just the chairs are around here. Again, keep in mind this is pool number 2, and there's another pool number 1. Hey, if you have any questions anytime, or you want to set up a tour, send me a text. Just use the number below.